Hey folks, today we're going to be learning how we put together the side pieces and all the wood pieces of the synth and the knobs. I think in a previous video it's a time lapse of all the pieces being laser cut. So this one's just showing you how they're put together. So first let's start by making the side pieces, and those are the end caps that hold the synth together. So one special tool I have is this 3D printed jig for making sure everything aligns. As you can imagine, this kind of fits, this represents the side of the synths. So this would be the bottom panel, these would be the side panels, top panel, and then this is the circuit boards. In a previous video you saw how we assembled the circuit boards, and they're going to be about this thickness apart. So get one of these pieces, and then we're going to have 3 layers of these intermediate pieces. Insert some nuts for the screws. Then we're going to put on this 4th piece, and then finally one of these end caps like this. So this might look familiar to you. So step 1, put this in. Okay, so put it in like that. Now we got to start gluing things. So I'm using cyanoacrylate. And then we're gonna slide that right over. And as you see, the jig is very helpful for lining everything up. And then now we have a few other pieces we need to glue on. Alright, so now we have the 3 pieces done, and we got to put this layer on. But of course, as a reminder that we need to insert the nuts, which I've forgotten too many times. And it's sitting there like that. And then we can glue this piece on. At this point, you can now glue on the cover. And once everything is set, you can just slide it right off the jig. And there is an end piece. Hear the nuts rattling in it. We're going to make a number more of these and then show you the next steps on how to glue the knobs together and how to assemble the synth. Alright, so we're done doing the side caps, and now we're gonna figure out how to turn all these little circle things into knobs. I have a different jig for making the knobs. As you can see, this is a 3D printed jig, and it's supposed to model the D slot of the potentiometers. And so basically all I do is put 1, 2, 3 of these on here, and then glue on the top, and you can see that's a knob right there. And there you go, that's a knob.